Yeah, so the A-Class is a hatchback.
Yes, of course.
Now the A-Class Saloon is a sedan based on that hatchback.
More recently, yes, that's
But there's also the CLA, which is also a sedan based on the hatchback.
A-Class hatchback, that's right, yes.
What's the difference? Why is it also...
Well, hey there, what's up folks? Welcome back, welcome to PowerDrift. We are bringing you all the motor show updates from 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. My name is Rohan, this is Shumi who is...
Waiting for an answer.
Yeah, well Shumi, it's simple actually. The CLA is the bigger of the two. That is, the CLA is bigger than the A-Class Saloon. And it's also more premium than the A-Class Saloon. It's got bigger engine options. Simply said, the A-Class Saloon is the most affordable three-pointed star sedan that you can put your hands on. That's the answer.
Okay, so Abhik is standing right now in Frankfurt next to the CLA.
No, he's standing next to the A-Class Saloon. And it's no ordinary A-Class Saloon. It's the A250e.
Oh, an electric.
No, not pure electric. This one is the plug-in hybrid. Abhik, why don't you just tell us, why don't you just tell him what the A250e is?
Please.
Okay, Shumi, let me help you out with your confusion. Under this bonnet of the A250e is the same 1.3 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, but this one here is assisted with an electric motor that bumps up the power to 217 PS and 450 Newton meters of torque, and it can go all the way up to 240 kilometers an hour. There are 3 engine modes as well: Comfort, Eco and Sport, to suit your mood for the day. Somewhere around here, under the rear seat lies the water-cooled battery pack. Now that weighs about 150 kilograms. And in pure electric mode, the A250e Saloon will go up to 68 kilometers and touch a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour, which is the kind of speeds that you do on the highways here, and that's pretty impressive. With AC charging, this car can go from 10% to 100% in 1 hour and 45 minutes, but with DC charging, the same can be achieved in just 25 minutes. As for the design, it's identical to the regular A-Class Saloon. Smooth flowing lines, a huge Mercedes logo on the front bumper to announce that you've arrived, and a lovely set of wheels. Inside you get a leather-wrapped steering wheel, leather-wrapped seats and dashboard, along with a trio of aircraft propeller-style air vents and 2 10.3-inch screens with the MBUX interface for the infotainment system. Sleek silver finishes and black trim pieces along with blue LED accents give it a classy look. Alright Shumi, here's another point of distinction for you. Whereas the CLA gets sporty lines and a muscular look, the A-Class is all about elegance.
That's actually not bad at all, because the plug-in hybrid is better, I think, than both the electric version, all-electric, and the one powered by the internal combustion engine. It's like the best of both worlds.
Yes, but it does come at a price, because the A250e will be about 5,000 euros pricier than the A-Class Saloon. That in Indian rupees is about 4 lakh rupees.
Hey, wait, I can get an Interceptor for that kind of money.
Yes, you can, but why does it always have to just come down to motorcycles?
Because your sedans and hatchbacks and hybrids, this is also confusing.
It's not confusing. You are confusing us and you're confusing them. And on that note, we would just like to sign off so that you're not confused by this confused man. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know it already, we are coming at you from the International Automobil Ausstellung 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show. Hit the bell icon so that you know that videos are being uploaded every hour as we speak. Abhik's coming at us with more content. We're going to see you very soon. Goodbye.